me? I mean, how's that work? Oh, you know, I bet you still on
Jimmy Eddy, what's in the movie?
Kicking aside, a skinny little ninja chick. Yeah, that was gonna be weird. You gotta cuss with yourself. No. Is this one of them? Yes, this is emergency services. Did she hear me? Hey. Did you hear me? Use that phone.
Jimmy Dick, go ahead, telly.
Conversation.
So we can put it on YouTube. Child snoring.
Meantime, Mr. Manager, any...
His name is John Cole.